Okay, so I've been getting some messages asking what gear I take on location for corporate headshots. So I thought I would show you some of the equipment and the big bag that I bring along to gigs and how I pack it. So let's have a look. First of all, we've got my laptop, small, lightweight, very important because I tether my camera. So when we're taking headshots, the clients can see the results that we're getting on the screen as we go, and we can make real-time adjustments and do culling and choose our favorite images before the client leaves the room. I am using the Godox FL150R LED panels. These are typically known as video lights, but they're fantastic for headshots because again we can see exactly what the light is doing, get nice consistent results. So these fold up nice and small. And I use two of the large panels which go in here. And the FL60 square for a bottom light, just to add in a little bit extra fill. That usually goes on the top. And the light boxes, the soft boxes for the FL150s also fold up nice and small and fit in the bag just like that. Then we have my light stands. These are Manfrotto 1051 BACs, which stack nicely, and they all go together right in the bottom there. Probably the heaviest part of the kit. Next we have the battery packs for the lights. I used to use Godox AD200 flashes, which are great, portable, battery operated, don't have to worry about power. But obviously with strobes, you don't quite get the same benefits as you do with constant lights in, be able to see where the light's going and see exactly the results that you're getting. But I always still take the AD200s with me in case I need to light the backdrop, especially if we're doing white backdrops. Obviously the camera, I'm using a Canon 5D Mark III and a 70-200 f4 lens. Obviously I could be using a more recent updated camera. However, I don't really need to be dealing with a larger file size. It's still great color, a great camera, perfectly valid for the job. And also at f4 it's fine for headshots. We could go for a 2.8. But you know, I only use that if I'm doing maybe weddings or sport. Down here we have a bit of a vanity kit, essential for headshots. So we've got a comb for untidy hair, the other product for frizzy hair, eye drops and shiny skin. I normally take 50, 1.8, just as an additional backup if I want to do something slightly different, if I do need a smaller depth of field. Tether cable and power extension cable. Obviously the tether cable connects the camera directly to the laptop, and that allows us to see exactly what we're shooting. Extension cable, always useful. Then for the backdrop, I am using the Westcott X-Drop. Really light, really portable, perfect for headshots. And typically I am shooting with a grey cloth background, super light. Again, allows us to get consistency in our shots. Then we have the brackets for the Godox lights to sit on the top, and this one here for the smaller one. and my Manfrotto tripod. Obviously, I like to set up nice and straight. No need to be handheld doing headshots. Helps us keep nice and stable. And consistency, there's a theme running through here. We have the clamps to attach the lights to the stands. And we have the soft boxes, diffusion panels, and finally get the FL60 right on the top, nice and flat. The larger boxes are, larger lights are fine to be folded, but I have found if you use them for long enough, the light strips do start to come away from the panels, so just bear that in mind. And that's it. So this is the Think Tank Production Manager 60. It's pretty heavy, but I can keep everything I need in there. Very sturdy, keeps everything safe, and allows me to get to and from the jobs very easily. So, any questions, let me know in the comments.